If you use Spotify or Apple Music on your Mac, you're missing out on a game-changing feature. Controlling your music should be fast, seamless, and effortless, but let's be honest, the default experience is clunky. Constantly switching apps, pausing, skipping, it's a hassle. But I just found an app that fixes all of that, and it's completely free. It makes controlling your music way easier, smoother, and faster. There's also a paid alternative called Sleeve 2 for $6, but is it really worth it when you can get the same functionality for free? Let's find out. Make sure that you go to this website, which I will leave in the video description below. Here, just simply click on download on the Mac App Store and install it on your computer. Now, once you have it installed, make sure that it's up and running. You can check that if you go here to the menu bar, you should see this icon in your menu bar of the Tuneful application. Now, if you click on this will open the simple player where you can go to the next song, go to the previous song, pause the song, play the song, change its volume, maybe even change the speaker right here, put it to the shuffle or even to the repeat. Now, if you click on this gear icon, you will see here the general screen. Here, you can connect Tuneful to Apple Music or Spotify. Here at the bottom right of my dock, you can also find this very cool widget. And you can also go to the next song or to the previous one and even pause the song by clicking on these buttons right here, which are very usefully provided with this widget. Now, you can also customize this widget as well, but the most important part is that if you have this widget set to this smallest size, which is horizontal slim, and the size of this widget to the small, you will be able to see the widget in your dock even if you have the window at the full screen. By full screen, I mean the full screen where you don't have the actual app in the full screen mode. So you can simply see your dock here as well as the widget at the bottom left corner. So this was only previously available with the Sleeve 2 application, but right now the developer of this application added this brand new style of the widget to its application, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. Now, let me show you a few more features this app actually offers. So if you go here under the menu bar, you can change the app icon. You can see that I have this set to app icon. You can also change this to the album art, which you can see right here, and you can also hide it as well. However, down below, you can also turn on or turn off song information in the menu bar. If you are, for example, playing a song, you can simply see its name in the menu bar. And you can also go here under the song info details and change this to the artist and a song. And here you will not only see the artist, but also the song name. And then down below, you can also change its width. This app, it's also very cool because it also has notch functionality. And if I enable this, you can also see here the equalizer on your notch. Now, if you click on it, this will expand here to the desktop and you can see this sleek animation. And this player also offers the same functionality as this one right here in the menu bar does. So this is what this one looks like. And you can also pause the song or even go to the next one. You can also go here down below and change a few more settings like color the music slider or show notch player on mouse click. And here you will also see that you have keyboard shortcuts. Now, if you want, you can also assign them to whatever you like, but you can see here that this shortcuts only work for the Apple Music for now. But I think that the Spotify support is coming very soon. Now, here in the settings, you can go here under the popover and you can also change its appearance. For example, you can change the background here from the transparent to the tint, and this is what this looks like. And you can also change this to the album art, for example, and this is what this looks like right here. Now, you can also change the popover style, which is currently set to full, and you can change this to minimal, for example, and this is what this looks like at the moment. I must admit, I do prefer the full option with the background set to transparent. Now, let me show you the mini player customization. So this is the mini player. You can pretty much put it wherever you like on your desktop, and you can also enable here the feature called mini player window always on top of other apps. So when you have, for example, Arc on your full screen, you will also see the widget here at the bottom. But I highly recommend you guys using the horizontal slim feature if you want to have this widget in your dock. And you can also pretty much change it to other sizes as well. You can go, for example, for the horizontal, minimal, or maybe even vertical, and change the background as well as the size, for example. But I like this option the most, so horizontal slim with the regular or even small size, depends on your dock size, of course. Now, this is pretty much how this application works. I think it's a great alternative to the Sleeve 2, which is paid application, but of course I haven't tried Sleeve 2. However, I think it's also a great product from their development team, and overall I think it looks very, very sleek, and according to its screenshots I think it looks very, very nice as well. But I think it offers the same functionality as the Tuneful, so maybe if you have a budget for it. If you don't have the budget, I highly recommend Tuneful application, which by the way is open source and it's right now available on the App Store. So with that said, I think this is pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link for Sleeve 2 as well as the Tuneful application in the video description below. If you guys haven't already, make sure to smash up the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you need a brand new wallpaper like I have it here, you guys can check them out by clicking the link in the video description. So with that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video. Peace.